Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. We got a damn good show for today, guys. XRP is absolutely bringing a whole new asshole to anybody who said that XRP wasn't going to make it to the top. Guys, XRP is absolutely mooning from here, my man. Let me tell you right now, let me ask you a really quick question. Are you in it? Are you playing the game? Are you inside XRP? Are your bags packed? Because mine sure as hell are. What are you doing with your life? I don't even know. Guys, XRP absolutely blowing up to the upside. That's absolutely wonderful to see. Big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. We're having a fantastic day. I hope you are too. Of course I'm having a fantastic day. Look at what XRP is doing right now. XRP is absolutely breaking all the rules. Guys, I don't know what you're doing with your life. I don't know who you're following. I don't know who you're listening to. But if you're banking on XRP, you're definitely part of my team. You're definitely part of the XRP army, guys. You're actually going to make it, guys. I mean, big shout out for everybody here on the live stream over here on the TikTok. You guys are awesome always. As always, smash that like button if you haven't already. The more you smash, the higher the price of XRP goes. And XRP is just absolutely breaking to the upside. Let me get my charts ready. Let me see. What's XRP doing right now, guys? Come on, guys. It doesn't get any better than this. It doesn't get any better than this. I don't know what some people are doing with their lives, my man, but XRP is absolutely breaking all limits, all expectations. It's just... Those people who are saying that XRP is just not, you're not going to make it, whatever. They didn't buy XRP at 17 cents or at 30 or even 40. Okay? They didn't buy XRP. So don't listen to them. Listen to the winning team. You know what you got to do. Big shout out to Scott Campbell over on the Facebook. Thank you for that like over on the Facebook page. Big shout out to AWOL over on the TikTok. Thank you for that like. It's a bunch of likes. Thank you, AWOL. Thank you for stopping by like always. Big shout out to you, AWOL. Big shout out for everybody here on the live stream, guys. You're absolutely amazing, just like always. Thank you for giving me a little hour of power. We're going to be going on to the markets today. We're going to be talking about a few things that I want to cover over on the crypto markets. Let me make sure that the music is not too loud. Let me connect to the Tickfinity over here. Bing, boom, bang. Done. And we're off to the races. All right, guys. Let me make sure that all the live streams are going well. Let me think. Everything looking good? Okay, everything looking real good. All right, guys. So, we're going to go in it today, guys. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe or follow from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. No excuses not to get my price ranges, not to get the news, not to know what the hell I'm doing with my XRP. Absolutely no excuse. I'm all over the place, guys. I'm all over the world. You know how it is. So what's up, guys? What's up with you? What y'all doing? Are you all having a fantastic day as I am? I know you are. I know you're having a good day. Look at XRP. How can you not be having a great day right now looking at XRP? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. If you're not having a good day, you didn't buy XRP. Smash that like button, guys, if you bought XRP. You know how it is, guys. Let's go for it. We're making some gains to the upside. Are you making some gains? Are your bags filled? I'm not selling my XRP. I ain't going nowhere. If anything, I'm just doubling down. Every time it dumps, I'm just buying some more. I really thought that we were going to go back down to 70 cents so I could back even some more. But no, fuck that. XRP says, you know what? Fuck you, Diego. You're not buying at 70 cents. You're going to buy at $1. Big shout out to Luke X over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Luke X. Big shout out to Jaime Nunez over on the TikTok is asking, what do you think of XLM? My man, if you're not in XLM, I don't know what you're doing with your life. I don't know who you're listening to, but you got to be in XLM. If you're in XRP, you got to be in XLM. Come on. Big shout out to the XRP Queen. Big shout out to you, XRP Queen. How you doing, my man? How you doing? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. She's saying, hey, get into both. Absolutely. Just think of it. XLM is like it's like XRP's evil twin sister. You know? You got to do both. You got to be in both. You just have to pack your bags. It really doesn't matter. Just get some XLM, get some XRP, be in the game. If anything, be in all the X coins. All the X coins. Hey, you want to diversify. You want to be one of those who do the smart thing and diversify their portfolio. Diversify on all the X coins. XLM, XDC, XRP, XE here, XE there. Just buy all of them. Just get in on all of them. Do what you got to do. Do what you got to do. XRP Queen over on there. TikTok saying XDC, XLM, XRP. XRP Coin saying that they don't compete. They will both win. XRP Army. Can I come? Yeah, of course. Of course they will both. They go hand in hand. What one does, the other one follows. What one does, the other one follows. It's a big shout out for everybody here on the live stream, guys. Remember, I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Kick. I'm all over the place, guys. Make sure that you follow in all of my platforms, just in case one of my channels gets flagged, because I get flagged all the time. Every damn stream I do, I get flagged here, flagged over there. I'm like, oh my God, I'm just people just don't want to hear the truth. That's what's happening. That's the problem. People just do not want to hear the truth. But I'm winning either way. I'm on the top. Are you on the top? You got to do what you got to do. So make sure you follow me on all the platforms out there, guys. No excuses. No excuses. Just in case my TikTok goes down, I'm here every day in all the platforms. Subscribe and follow me on all the platforms. We're going to give it one more minute, guys. One more minute, and we'll start the class. Let's see who else gets here. XRP Queen over on the TikTok saying being in the game since 2017. That's absolutely wonderful. I've been in the XRP army since 2015. Became one of the Dogecoin millionaires. That's wonderful to hear, of course. Of course. Big shout out to Eric over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Smash that like button. The more you smash the like button, my man, the higher the XRP price goes. Big shout out to Cecile. Cecile, thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Boom, boom here, boom, boom there. Let me make sure that everything is set up and ready to go. Big shout out to XRP. Let's cool. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I'm excited, guys. I'm happy. I'm on the top of the world right now. I don't know what to tell you. Been buying XRP since 2015. Bought at 17. Still holding strong. I didn't sell shit. I'm not selling any shit. I'm not selling. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not selling my XRP ever. Ever. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go in it. We're going to go in it today. Some things that I wanted to cover on today before we start the class. Let me look at the news. Let's see what the hell is the XRP doing right now to the news. Check this out, guys. Here we are. You're going to like this. U.S. lawmakers propose SEC chair consider legislation, not enforcement approach to crypto. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, this is an entirely whole new world we're living in right now. History was made July 13th, and you were here. I was here. We were all here. We looked at it. We were living it. We lived a historical moment, July 13th, because nothing is going to be the same ever again, especially for everybody in crypto. The SEC lost. It doesn't matter how sour puss they are. They don't want to admit it. The SEC lost the case. Simple as that. Don't listen to anybody else. They're going to try to convince you that, no, they didn't lose. Here and blah, blah, blah. No, they lost the case, especially for you and me. Me and you. We are retail buyers. We buy XRP in the retail market. We buy it through exchanges. We're not big kahunas. We don't have a shit ton of money. We don't invest huge amounts of crypto money into crypto. We're not institutions. Okay, we're retail. We won the case. We won the goddamn case. Everything is going to be different from here on out. Please know what you hold. You have to understand the value of what you're holding on to right now. You're holding to what I think is to be the most valuable coin out there. And you need to understand this. You need to get it in your head that whenever you hear news that XRP is going to go to zero, fuck that. Block that dude. Don't listen to that guy. You have any idea how many people said that we were going to lose the case? Screw them. Screw each and every one of them. Don't listen to the naysayers. Listen to the winning team. Listen to the XRP army. We are many and we are strong and we are mooning, guys. We are mooning. Are you part of the XRP army? Let's go. Big shout out to Crypto Daily News over on the TikTok. Thank you for that like. Thank you for that follow. I am 031. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already. The more you smash, the higher the XRP price goes. So, like I was saying, Congress got to do something. Congress got to do something. They're going to sit down with baby boy Gary Gensler, and they're going to spank the shit out of him. You remember when you were a kid and you knew you were getting an ass whooping from your parents? That's Gary Gensler right now. He knows he's getting an ass whooping. Big shout out to Shania Hunter over on the Facebook. Thank you for that like. Big shout out to you. So, big boy Gary Gensler's getting, you know how it is. He's going to, I don't even know what to tell you guys. Big shout out to Crypto Daily. Thank you for that rose over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Crypto Daily. So, U.S. lawmakers propose SEC chair consider legislation, not enforcement approach to crypto. My man, Gary Gensler, you were doing things wrong, my man. You were doing too much. You were declaring war on somebody who had absolutely nothing to do with you. Nothing to do with you. And now you got an ass whooping from our judge, Torres, over there telling you that, hey, you were wrong. And there's not a damn thing you can do about it, my man. Now Congress is going to come in and tell you the same thing that everybody's been telling you for years. You're going to get an ass whooping, my man. Representative Dustin Johnson said the SEC cannot continue to regulate by enforcement. The lawsuit filed against digital asset firms are not protecting the public and stifling innovation and growth. Yeah. Mic drop. I'm telling you right now, my man, don't listen to the naysayers. Everybody's coming for crypto. Everybody's coming for XRP. It is what it is. XRP is going to take over. XRP is going to take over. I'm going to say that one more time because people don't understand this. XRP is going to take over. And it's not even in the future tense. It's in the present right now. We are taking over. XRP literally taking over Bitcoin trading volume today. And you don't have to believe me. Look at the charts. Look at what XRP is doing versus look at what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin ain't doing shit. Bitcoin is going down. So what is XRP doing? It's depegging from Bitcoin. Depegging from Bitcoin. It's doing its own damn thing. So you know when I always say that, I always start with Bitcoin when I do my TA. That's going to change. That's going to change today. We're going to start with the XRP because it's doing something else. Bitcoin is no longer in control, my man. Bitcoin is no longer in control. Smash that like button, guys, if you want XRP to be in control. Number one market cap. The more you smash the like button, the higher the XRP goes. The XRP price goes. And remember to follow me on every one of my streaming platforms. I'm on Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Kick. I'm all over the place, guys. Let's fucking go. So, yeah, guys, it's on the news. You can feel the air. You can feel it in the air. You know for a fact that XRP is here to take over. Because the XRP army is many. We are strong. And we're going to moon this coin, guys. $1.12, that's my target price for XRP. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Let's see how it actually plays out. But I'm definitely in on seeing what the hell Congress is going to say to Papa, big old boy Gary Gensler. He's going to get an ass whooping from Mama Bear and Papa Bear. Let's see how that goes. That's going to be a very interesting conversation coming real soon. Let's see how they actually, bring down their defenses and start doing the right thing by enforcing legislation, not enforcement regulation. Let's see how it is. It's all going to play out real nice. Things that we've been saying for years are actually playing out right now. We've been saying this for years. Years. It's playing out right now. It feels good to be right, doesn't it? It feels good to be right. Big shout out to Double T over on the TikTok. $4 XRP by September. Oh, my man. From your lips to the stars, to the galaxy, to the universe, to God's ears, to anybody you pray. We need XRP to be at $4. My man, let me tell you right now, XRP at $4, you're not going to see me ever again. At $4 XRP, I'm moving away. I'm disappearing from the world. My target price for XRP is $5, $5.89. That's my Lambo price range. That's where I'm gonna buy my first Lamborghini at $5.89. If I do that, I'm gonna drive up right here into this live stream right here in my Lambo. I mean, let's make it happen. $5 XRP. Come on, man. Let's make it happen, Double T. It's right around the corner. You know how it is. $5 XRP. You know how we're going to get to $5 XRP? If you smash the like button over on the TikTok, the more you smash, the higher the price of XRP goes. So if you could do me that favor, go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. And follow me on every single platform out there. Big shout out to ITZ over on the Twitch. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, my man. I get too excited, my man. I get too excited. I gotta drink some water. Oh, another thing that I want you guys to keep an eye out. Not everything is all about XRP. You can make money on every coin out there. Remember, guys, we talk about all the coins. Yeah, we're XRP centric, but the crypto market is huge. You can't just fall in love with one coin. You gotta love all of them. Litecoin halving in 13 days. Litecoin halves the exact same way that Bitcoin has. I don't know if you know this, but every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through a halving cycle, and you get half of the supply, half of the rewards after the halving period. Litecoin does the exact same thing. The only difference is that they don't do it at the same time. Next year is Bitcoin. In 13 days is Litecoin. So in Litecoin, we're going to get a halving period. Now, normally what things that happen when you get a halving period, we get a little mini rally and then a dumpy dump. Because miners are going to get rid of their Litecoin because they're going to get half of the supply. They're going to probably drive the price down on Litecoin and then push the price up once the halving happens. So I'm thinking that Litecoin is maybe going to have a little bit of a run to the downside. We're going to go in and we're going to look at the price. We're going to look at the charts and whatnot. We're going to deduce it if it's true. But I'm thinking that Litecoin might have a little bit of a pull down coming right around the corner. Let's see if it actually plays out. But those are the two things that I wanted to talk to you guys about today. We're going to talk about Congress just absolutely going to give a major beat down on Gary Gensler and the SEC, and Litecoin is having a halving in the next 13 days. So those are two things that you got to keep in mind. You got to keep a watchful eye out for when you're doing your TA, and let's see if we can make some money. Let's get our charts ready, guys. TradingView.com. TradingView.com. Big shout out for everybody here over on the TikTok, on the Twitch. You guys are awesome. Big shout out to Royce Galavis Mesa over on the YouTube. Do you think XRP is rising up right now? I don't think anything. It's rising right now. I don't have to think. I ain't got to do shit. It's mooning right now. If you didn't buy a 30 cents and you're crying now because, oh, I'm too late, that's on you. That's on everybody who didn't listen to me 2 years ago. We've been buying XRP in every single goddamn dip, guys. We've been in it since 2015. Let's go. Big shout out to Tatonator over on the Twitch. Crap, I arrived late to watch the rave party. Don't worry, my man. I'm here to stay. I ain't going nowhere. You can always rewatch the stream. All of my streams are being recorded and they're in my YouTube channel. You can always watch them again whenever you guys want to. Big shout out to Doc Psycher over on the TikTok. Thank you for those likes, my man. Oh, thank you for smashing them like buttons, guys. Are we gonna get to all-time highs on the likes? The last live stream was 6,000 likes. Can we get to 7,000 likes on this live stream? That would be amazing. Breaking all the rules to the upside, guys. We're like XRP. We're mooning. So big shout out for everybody here in the live stream. We're going to go in it today. We're going to start the class. Now, normally, like I said before, I like to start the class by looking at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. But guess what XRP is doing right now? XRP ain't giving a goddamn shit what Bitcoin is doing. XRP is depegging from Bitcoin. So we're going to do two different types of analyses. We got to analyze Bitcoin for the rest of the market, and we got to analyze XRP for just XRP and XLM. XLM and XRP are tied together. They're by the hand. So whatever one does, the other one follows. So always remember that. If you're not in XLM, you better be in XLM. XLM and XRP. They're both hand in hand. They're both going to go to the upside. They're both going to moon. So let's start with Bitcoin first, because Bitcoin is going to give you a macro point of view of what the hell the entire market is doing. Okay. But it might not apply for XRP, okay? It's not going to apply for XRP. So you got to do two different type of analyses if you're going to go in on trades on Bitcoin and XRP, okay? So let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. What's the first thing that I notice when I'm looking on Bitcoin now? I got to go to Bitcoin on the daily chart. So we always start in the daily chart and we zoom in into the daily chart. And what the hell is it's Bitcoin doing right now? Look at all this downwards momentum right here. Just red candles all around the board. Bitcoin is just taking a huge dumpy dump to the downside. Now look at what XRP is doing. Ooh. Bitcoin down, XRP up. What? Look at what XLM is doing. Oh, what? Up, and Bitcoin down. Guys, let me tell you right now, X coins are depegging from the Bitcoin influence. So you got to do your technical analysis. Two different technical analysis. You don't want one is not going to apply for the other. Bitcoin is having a little bit of a pullback to the downside, which is highly expected. We know that Bitcoin is going to go down to 28K. We can identify a low, we can identify a high, and we can identify a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Like that. So what is my entry price to getting in on some Bitcoin action? Right down here, I am predicting that the price of Bitcoin is going to have a pull to the downside, a little dumpy dump all the way down to 28K. We're super close. We're trading at $29,000. 28K is highly doable, highly possible, especially when I see on the charts that if Bitcoin is going down and XRP is going up, that means that there are people out there who are selling their Bitcoin to buy XRP, to buy XLM, to buy XDC, to buy every other coin on the charts that is just pumping out of fucking nowhere. So people are selling their Bitcoin to get in on XRP. Now, normally what happens with these type of trading scenarios is that they run the price of XRP up, then they sell their XRP and come back into Bitcoin. And then they run the price up on Bitcoin while XRP goes down, buy back in on XRP, right? Drive the price up. So all I'm saying is that there's going to be market cycles, crazy volatility on Bitcoin markets right now. So if you're not holding on to Bitcoin, you better start considering holding on to some Bitcoin action. My entry prices you're getting in on some Bitcoin action are right here. So take a screenshot of this if you want to trade it the exact same way that I do. This is not financial advice. You do whatever the hell you want. You shouldn't be listening to me anyways. I'm just a crazy guy online on TikTok. Those are my two price ranges to getting in on some Bitcoin action. That's where I have my limit buy orders, and that's exactly where I'm going to be stacking up on some Bitcoin action. Are we going to get there? I have no idea whatsoever, but I have limit buy orders just ready to go. Automatic buy orders that are there to buy Bitcoin when it reaches those price ranges. If I don't get a chance to buy it at that price range, then I didn't get a chance to buy it at that price range. I just don't buy it. Because I buy on the way down. I don't buy on the way up as long as it finds support within the 618 on the Fibonacci levels, which is this zone right here. Okay. If the coin gets support within 27,489, best believe that sucker is going to keep going to the upside. Okay. So I'm going to stack on my Bitcoin at $27,489. Okay. That's how I'm going to be playing out the Bitcoin action. Now let's move on a little bit to the Ethereum network. Now Ethereum is the exact same thing as Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum follows right there with it. So if you're going to do your technical analysis on Bitcoin, you're going to apply the exact same thing for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. So Ethereum having a little bit of a pullback because Bitcoin is having a little bit of a pullback. So it's completely normal and highly expected. When do you want to go in on some Ethereum action? This zone right here. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play it out the exact same way that I do, 1,829 and 1,782. That's where I'm going to be stacking up on my Ethereum. Set a limit buy order if you haven't already, but that's exactly most of the zones that I am setting my limit buy orders on. Okay. Now let's move on to my beautiful baby girl XRP. Like I say, when you do your TA, you got to do your TA differently when it comes to XRP. Because XRP is doing its own thing. XRP doesn't give a fuck about the market. It shouldn't. It's the only coin out there with legal clarity in the United States. No other coin can say that. Know what you hold, guys. Know what you hold. You got to understand that value. That's huge. It's like you're the first human being to find gold on the ground. And you didn't just find gold on the ground. You found an entire cave of gold. And now we need to convince the entire market that gold is highly valuable. Now we need to convince the market that XRP is highly valuable. How are we going to do that? We got to drive interest into XRP. But first, we needed clarity. Check. We got the clarity. Now comes the value. Now comes the use cases. Now comes the money flowing into XRP. Telling you, my man, there's only one direction XRP is going to go, is that's to the moon. If you didn't buy at 17 cents, don't cry now if you don't buy at 80 and then it's at $5 just a few weeks from now. Can't say I didn't tell you so. Can't say I didn't tell you so. Been saying it for years, since 2015. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I got you. I was doing it from the intro screen. Big shout out to Benfy. Big shout out to you, Benfy. How you doing, Benfy? Is there a big shout out to you over on the Twitch channel? We're going to our private island, my man, and I'm flying the plane. I'm flying the helicopter to our private island, and I'm never coming back. I am just gonna disappear. I'm even gonna get like a whole new identity and everything. I'm gonna let go of my name, my phone number, my house, everything I own. Fuck that. I'm getting a whole new life. XRP $5. Let me tell you right now. Let's go, Benfy. Big shout out to you, Benfy, over on the Twitch. So like I was saying, guys, XRP as of right now, you got to do your TA completely different from the entire market. The same rules do not apply for XRP because XRP is now free. It's a free coin. It's free. It's free from its shackles. No more tying into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is going to do its own thing. XRP is going to do its own thing. Okay. So we're holding on to XRP all the way to the moon side for the moon, guys. So on the daily chart over on the trading view account, can we identify a low? Yes. Can we identify a high? Yes. Is there a pullback on the high? No. There is no pullback on the high. There's just upwards momentum like this. Momentum and money flow is to the upside. Until we don't get a pullback on the high, I cannot do my analysis the same way that I used to do so. Okay, because it doesn't apply the exact same way. So I have to wait for a pullback to happen over on XRP. I don't know when that pullback is going to happen, even if there is going to be a pullback. I don't even think that we're going to get a pullback on XRP. Because it's just so much money being poured into XRP as of right now, and money drives the market. It's not interest, it's not the news, it's not this or that, it's money. Money flow is what activates the price. Market cap is what activates the price to the upside or the downside. And as of right now, a shit ton of money, billions of dollars are just being injected into XRP every day. So the price is going to keep going up until we don't see a major run to the downside where people start taking their profits. This sucker's going to keep going up. Now, with that said, there is a way that you can do your technical analysis by applying the exact same rules. You don't have to change everything, but let me tell you right now, it's highly risky. We do have a low. We have a low point. We have a high point, and we're going to pretend that there is a pullback happening right now on XRP, even though there isn't. Okay, even though there is no XRP pullback. With that said, let's pretend that we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So we're going to draw out our Fibonacci levels, and we're going to pretend that there was a pullback to the downside. Actually, if we go to smaller time frames where we go back down to the 2-hour instead of the daily chart, because the daily chart is just too much momentum to the upside. If we go down to the 2-hourly chart, we see the pullback happening on XRP. Your signal to getting in on XRP on the pullback was right here. Right there. It found the support within the golden zone ratio on the Fibonacci levels. It found the support within here. Okay, that's rule number one. Rule number one, find support within the golden zone, whether the 0.5 or the 6.8 on the Fibonacci levels. Rule number two, it needs to break above the 382. Did it break above the 382? Yes. Look at what is happening right now on the 2 hour. It broke the top. It broke the resistance on the 382. Big shout out to DOK Psycho over on the TikTok. Thank you for them likes. Smash those like button, guys. The more you smash the like button, the higher the XRP price goes. You got to know. You got to know what you hold. So XRP broke the 382. Now the 382 becomes support. Okay, so if it pulls back down, if it does, I don't know if it actually will, but if it pulls back down, the support line is 76 cents. So I don't think it's going to go lower than 76 cents. If you get a chance, once again, let me tell you right now, I got to scream it to the four winds. If XRP dumps from here and it goes all the way down to 76 cents, do yourselves a favor and start stacking up on some XLM at 76 cents. Okay, not saying that this is going to happen. I don't see this happening anytime soon. But hey, miracles happen all the time in crypto. 76 cents is your first buy-in. 70 cents is your second buy-in. Okay, and 64,669 is your third buy-in. Those are your three support lines that you're going to take advantage of if we get a drive to the downside on XRP. I don't see it happening anytime soon, but it can happen. This fucker can flip around at any time. People are going to start taking their profits, and I don't blame them. They bought at 30 cents and they sell it at 94. That's 100% on your trade. Come on, of course. People are going to take their profits. You would be an idiot if you don't take your profits on the way up. I'm a fucking idiot. I don't take profits on the way up. I'm going to ride this sucker all the way up to $5. I ain't selling shit. So it played out beautifully. It found support on the 618 on the golden ratio zone. That's step number one. Step number two, it broke above the 382. So if it breaks above the 382, meaning that it closes above 76 cents, like I said on yesterday's live stream, your next target price is the negative 382. That's step number three. Step number one, find support within the golden ratio. Step number two, break above the 382. Step number three, take your profits on the negative 382. So where are we going to set our limit sell orders? Where am I going to take my profits? $1.13,680. So if you're in a trade on XRP as of right now, you're in a trade, you went in on the golden ratio, you caught it, and you're in a long right now, where do you want to take your profits? At $1.13,680. Now, in no way, shape, or form am I calling out that that's going to be the top. I can never tell you what the top and the bottom is going to be on a chart. That's impossible to do. I don't have a time machine. If you have a time machine, let me know. Let me know. We can make this happen. But I'm not calling $1.13 to be the top in no way, shape, or form. But it is the top of the golden ratio in the Fibonacci levels. So here's my plan. This is my trading plan. My trading plan is that I'm going to take my profits, 50% of my portfolio of my profits on my trade. I'm setting it as a sell at $1.13. Okay. Then the next 50%, the remaining 50% of my portfolio, I'm setting it at $1.25,246. Those are the two zones to the top where you should be taking your profits on your trade on XRP. Can it keep going higher than that? Of course it can keep going higher than that. I wish it could keep it will go higher than that. But a great trading plan where you follow the rules, you have the discipline, you have the math, and you just follow the game how it's supposed to be played. Take your profits at $1.13 and $1.25. If it goes higher, then we reset the Fibonacci levels, because always remember that nothing goes up forever. There's going to be pullbacks, and we enjoy those pullbacks because we find entry points to getting in on that price range within the golden zone on the ratio on the Fibonacci levels. So take your profits at $1.13, $1.25. That's what I'm going to do. Then we're going to reset the Fibonacci levels, find out what the new levels are, and we're going to go back in doubling down with the earnings that we made on the run-up when this happened. That's my trading plan for when it comes to XRP. Same thing with XLM. Look at what XLM is doing right now. So let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. XLM as of this moment, absolutely ripping a new asshole to anybody who said that XLM was not going to make it to the top. XLM is pumping 20%. 20% in the last 24 hours, guys. Don't tell me nothing. Now, does it have a low point? Yes. Does it have a high point? Yes. Did it have a pullback on that high point? Yes. Look at this pullback. So that translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Okay. We're going to draw that Fibonacci levels as of right now, and we're going to find out what the entry prices are. There we go. All right. So, like I said on last live stream, XLM was trading below the 618. I don't trade on coins that go below the 618 because to break resistance on the 618 is very hard to do. You need a lot of money and a lot of just order blocks being filled to the upside. Okay. So as soon as a coin finds support within the 618, you go in it. This was your sign to getting in on some XLM action when it broke the 618 at 13 cents. That was your longing signal. Okay, that was your longing signal. Now, step number one, it found support within the 618. Perfect. Step number two, did it break the 382? As of this moment right now, it is struggling. It is doing whatever it needs to break that 382. This white line that I have drawn on the screen right now, that's the 382. It's like trying to break through the 382. Okay. It has to close above 15 cents. It has to close above 16 cents to break above the 382. So if it closes above the 382, keep hodling to your XLM coins. If by tomorrow this coin is not closing above the 382, above 16 cents, take your profits. Okay, take your profits because the 382 acts as heavy resistance. Okay, that's a resistance zone. As you can see it right now on the screen. See how the price is just not breaking through it. It tested it and then it came back down. It tested it again and it came back down. It tested it one more time and it's still trying. Okay. What we want to see is the base of the candle on top of the 382. If we see a candle on top of the 382, then guess what? There is a huge probability that we are going to get a 23 cent XLM coming right around the corner. Okay. Obviously, this is also tied to XRP. I know that XRP is going to keep going to the upside. So 23 cent XLM is highly, highly probable and likely. Highly likely. Okay. Do with this information as you may. Trade it however the hell you want. But if you want XLM to go to $1, it has to play by the rules. It has to close above the 382. And you take your profits at 23 cents. Then we reset the Fibonacci levels all over again. Find new entry rates because nothing goes up forever. There's going to be pullbacks. We enjoy the pullbacks down on the Fibonacci levels. We go back in doubling down on XLM and we ride this sucker all the way up to $1 or even more. That's my trading plan for some XLM action tied to XRP. Now, keep in mind, guys, that XRP is closing above the 382. So this sucker has a huge probability that it's going to go up to $1.13. And if XRP goes up to $1.13, XLM is going to go up to 23 cents. I said it here first. It's being recorded into the interwebs. You can rewatch these streams as many times as you want so you can see that I actually said it here. It's recorded. Okay, there's no excuse. No excuse. Some people say, oh, but you didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Bro, I've been saying this for years. 2017. I started my channel in December 2020, right when the lawsuit happened on XRP. to warn people to not listen to the naysayers and get your ass in on XRP and XLM. So since December 2020, no excuses. No excuses. Big shout out for everybody here over on the Tech Shock. You guys are awesome. Smash that like button if you haven't already. The more you smash, the higher the price of XRP goes. Big shout out to I Am Him over on the Tech Shock. Thank you for that nice comment right there. Literally nice. Let's move on to a little bit of Litecoin action. We like to look at what Litecoin does also. Litecoin, like I said in the beginning of this live stream, Litecoin is having a halving period in the next 13 days. So most likely what you're going to see is some downwards action, okay? Let me get the tip. There you go. So like I said, we're going to see some downwards action happening on Litecoin. That's completely normal. It's supposed to happen because we're going to get a halving period in the next 13 days. So expect downwards action on XLM, on Litecoin. But we do have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? You already know. You're masters of this already. The Fibonacci levels. And check and look at what Litecoin is doing right now. Litecoin, as of this moment, is trading below the 618. The same thing that was XLM doing yesterday. XLM yesterday was trading below the 618. So I don't go in on a coin that's trading below the 618 until it finds support within the 618. In other words, until it closes above $94, I'm not going to get in on some Litecoin action. Why? You probably are thinking, well, why don't you just buy it at a lower price and wait for the upward swing? Because I don't know when that upward swing is going to be, and if there is going to be an upward swing. Okay? When prices close above the 618, that is the money flow, the volume, the volatility I need for quick gains to the upside. If you don't believe me, look at XLM. XLM was trading below the 618, and as soon as it broke the 618 to the upside, fireworks. Okay, same scenario for Litecoin, trading below the 618. As soon as it closes above the 618, fireworks. Okay, fireworks. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Do what you want to do, guys. Smash that like button if you guys haven't done it already. We're trying to get to all-time highs. We're now at 4.5 thousand likes. Last live stream we did 6,000. Let's see if we can get it to 7,000. Ooh. Moving on to some Cardano action. What is Cardano doing right now? Look at what Cardano is doing, guys. This is what I'm telling you guys. See how Cardano was trading below the 618. It broke and found support within the 618 and fireworks. That's what I think Litecoin is going to do, and that's why I don't buy on the way down when it's below the 618. I wait for the coin to find support within the 618 and then moonshot from there. Okay? So we had the moonshot. We came back down. We found support within the 0.5, which means that we are within the golden zone. That's where we want to be when we find support. And it is now doing its best to break above the 382. Okay? Rule number 1, find support within the golden ratio. Rule number two, break above the 382. Did we break above the 382? No. So we got to keep an eye out on it, okay? We got to zoom in. We got to look at it. We got to babysit it, okay? Because if this fucker closes beyond the 382, above the 382, in other words, we're talking about if it closes above 33 cents, that's a moonshot from there, okay? Moonshot from there all the way up to 43 cents. Okay. So we got in at 30 cents and we're going to get out at 43. Okay. See how things are just playing out throughout the week. Things just play out. If you know how to read the charts, everything just follows. Everything just go with it. You just got to eliminate emotions. Eliminate what other people are saying. Fuck that. Follow the math. Follow the rules. Follow the trading plan. Forget about emotions. Trade with the plan. It's just how it is. Judy! Big shout out to Judy over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Judy. So we cover some Bitcoin, we cover some Ethereum, we cover some XRP, XLM, Cardano, Litecoin. Let's look at some. Let's see what we got. Guys, if there's any coins you want to look at, anything you want to do some TA on, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll do some TA if you guys need it on any coin, any asset, anything you want to look at. Go ahead and write it down on the chat box, and we'll go for it. Judy, what's up? Judy, I literally just did Cardano. This is Cardano, what you're looking on the screen right now. Cardano, we went in on 0.20 on 28 cents, and we're getting out at 43. Okay, but we need to close above 33 cents. If it closes above 33 cents, then we're going to make it to 43. Okay. We need to close above 33 to make it to 43, okay? I am him over on the TikTok asking for some Algorand. Yeah, we can look at Algorand. Of course we can. Algo. Let's see if we can breathe in some life into Algorand. Let's see what we got over here. This is from the last live stream. I think we saw Algorand on the last live stream. Yeah, no, Algorand, my man, is taking a shit on everybody, my man. If you're on Algorand, it's not looking too bueno. It's not looking too bueno. It is just people just don't care about Algorand, do they? Oh, that's just nasty. Let me take it to the daily. Let me see something here. Let me see what we got. Nah, that's just nasty. Yeah, look at that. No, this is just not a... This is just a no-go. Oh, man, this is nasty, bro. But we might see some upswings. Let's see what we got. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. So when do you want to get in on some Algorand action? I think I put it over here. It's right here. If you guys want to get in on some Algorand action, my limit buy order is at 10 cents. This is my limit buy order right here. Man, but Algorand is just not having a good day now. It hasn't been having a good few kind of years, has it? This bear cycle is absolutely ridiculous for Algorand. Is there anything happening on Algorand that is so bad? I haven't heard anything about Algorand. I personally don't trade Algorand. I'm 100% on my portfolios on XRP. But if I were going to trade Algorand, I would wait for that dumpy dump all the way down to 10 cents. That way I can catch a double bottom. So if I can catch a double bottom, wait for the run up, because double bottoms are pretty much always bullish signs. But Algorand is just not looking too good, my man. Algorand is just taking a shit on everybody. But hey, if you were waiting for some bottom action on Algorand, it's exactly where you want it to be. If you guys wanted to stack up on some Algorand action, it's pretty much the best case scenario to stacking up on some coins. Now, we're talking about hodling Algorand, okay? We're not talking about trading. We're talking about hodling. Just hold and hope for the future. Okay, Algorand is, I believe it's an ISO coin, right? I remember it's Algorand. Was it Algorand? I don't remember. Big shout out to Rudolph over on the YouTube. XRP will beat Ethereum very soon. My man, let me tell you right now, it already has. It already has. So trading volume on XRP is way above Bitcoin, Ethereum. And you can putting them together. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. We're in it. We're absolutely in it. We're strapped in. Are you strapped in? Are your bags full? Do what you got to do. There's no excuse, guys. There is no excuse not to get some XRP action right now. You can buy it on all the exchanges. Before it was, I couldn't buy it in the United States. It was difficult. Now it isn't. There's no excuse. No excuse. So yeah, guys, Algorand is a sleeper. Algorand is a major sleeper. So if you guys wanted to hodl onto some Algorand action, 10 cents is my entry price. Okay. Can it pump from here? Of course it can pump from here, but it's in the bottom. It's literally the bottom. It's scraping. You can scrape it from the bottom. You understand? It's a sleeper. Start catching up on some Algorand action if you guys just want to hodl that coin. But for me, it's a no trade zone as of yet. Okay. Until I don't find support within the 618, I don't trade it. But hodling it, just buying it and putting it in on my wallet, cold storage wallet, why not? Why not? It's a sleeper. It's a sleeping. I am him. Big shout out to you over on the TikTok saying RNDR is also on its way down, waiting for a turnaround. That's reindeer, right? RNDR. It's render. That's render. Let's look at render. Can I trade render on render token? There we go. Okay. Render looking a whole lot better than Algorand. So, okay, let me see what we got over here. Let me zoom out. Let's see what we got. Rudolph over on the YouTube. My bags are heavy. What is your PT and profit taking? I want to make my first profit at 500 and holding for the rest for the next 10 to 15 years. My first take profit is $5.89. My second profit is at $11. But I'm absolutely holding for the rest of my life. If you're talking about XRP, I'm holding for the rest of my life. What the hell am I going to sell XRP for? Cash? What the hell do I want cash for? Cash goes down. XRP goes up. I'm never selling my XRP. No way. No, sir. It ain't going to happen. Never selling my XRP. Unless it's like a ridiculous amount of money, like $10,000 per XRP, then maybe I'll start considering selling some XRP. But no, never selling my XRP. 10, 15 years. Hope to God that I'm still alive. But no, ain't gonna happen. My first take profit is at $5. Second take profit is at 11. But I'm never selling. All right, so we're talking about render. Render has a lot of shark fin formations. We got this one. Okay, so for render, let's analyze render. Let's go for it. So we have a shark fin formation here. Found the support within the 618. Found the support within the 618, broke the 382. So you take your profits on the negative 382. See how it played out exactly. This is a perfect example of how to use your Fibonacci levels to know your entry points and your exit prices. You go in on the 618 and you get out on the negative 382 if it closes above the 382. So as of this moment, this played out perfectly. You can't use this same analysis for the future. You can't. This is already reset. You have to reset your Fibonacci levels. So you found the support within the 618. You broke the 382. You take your profits on the negative 382. That's how you play this coin right here. And this is how you're going to play every other coin out there that is trading and trying to break above the 382. What did we say that we were trying to do over on XLM? XLM is trying to break the 382. If it breaks the 382, moonshot to the negative 382. Okay? So it's a perfect example for you guys to see that plan works. You just got to be patient. You just got to follow the rules. So reindeer played out beautifully on the Fibonacci levels. Hopefully you took advantage of it. You knew how to trade it with the Crypto Sensei trading style. Rudolph, big shout out to Rudolph over on the YouTube. Damn, are you holding more XRP than I am? I holding 8,000. Still adding. My goal is 10K. Bro, that's a beautiful goal right there, my man. Do what you got to do. Stack up on them gains. Stack up on them bags, bro. Moon bags. You got to know what you got to do. You got to know what you hold. 10K XRP at $5 XRP. We're talking about $50,000. Now, maybe $50,000 is not a life-changing amount, but it sure as hell is a life-changing amount for me. $50,000. You know how much I can do with $50,000? Bro, I can pay off my house. I can pay off my car. Shit. $5 XRP coming right around the corner, guys. Know what you hold. Back to reindeer. So reindeer played out the Fibonacci levels to the dot. You went in on $1, you got out at $2.86. And now there's another pullback. So we got to reset our Fibonacci levels. We reset the Fibonacci levels. And look at what reindeer is doing right now. Reindeer or render? Render. It's render. Render testing this 0.5 Fibonacci golden zone ratio level to the dot. It's like boing, boing, boing. It's just bouncing and bouncing and bouncing on those zones right there. Okay? Trying to find that support. If it breaks to the downside, then your next entry point is at $1.67. Let me write it down here so you guys can see it. So if I was a betting man, and I am, I would bet a little longing opportunity on render at $1.67 and 15. $1.67.15. So I'm going to put my limit buy orders at $1.67 and hope to God and pray to the four winds that this fucker actually bounces from there. If it bounces right now at the 0.5, what's your next target? $2.14. So if it closes above $2.15, your next take profit is on the next leg up on the Fibonacci levels at $3.69. So if you get in right now at $1.91, you hold it all the way up to $3.69 if it closes above $2.15. Those are the levels that you need to keep an eye out when you're doing your trades. Okay, my man? I am him. Do what you got to do. Do what you got to do. But render is another coin that's looking kind of saucy to the upside. Why not? Why not? Let me look at the total market cap. This is the entire crypto market. I told you guys this fucker was going to pump to a $1.4 trillion. I told you this fucker was going to go to a top $1.4 trillion because I knew that XRP was going to win the case. We're talking about $300 billion are going to be injected into the market. And guess where it's going to go? I'm willing to bet that it's going to be XRP. $300 billion into XRP. Now, what would the price do with $300 billion more of market cap? Did you know that you can actually calculate that? You can actually know what the price is going to be if you inject money into any coin whatsoever. You can go to coinmarketcap.com. Because remember, that price is just a product of circulating to supply times the market cap. So as of right now, look at XRP's number 4. Number 4. I don't really count Tether because Tether is not a cryptocurrency coin. Bullshit. It's a completely bullshit coin. XRP is number 3. It is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. XRP is number 3. Now, as of right now, circulating supply is 52 billion. Okay, if you take 52 billion and you divide it by the market cap, the other way around. You take the market cap and you divide it by the circulating supply, you're going to get your price. That's 83 cents. So if 300, and we're talking about a market cap of 43 billion, what do you think the price would do with 300 billion injected into it? Not saying that there's going to be $300 billion injected, but just for shits and giggles. That's $343 billion of market cap. You divide that by the circulating supply. How much is the price going to be? Go ahead, calculate. Take out your handy dandy calculator. Let me take out the calculator. This is just for shits and giggles, just for fun. Just for fun. You take $343 billion and you divide it by 52 billion XRP in supply, circulating supply. We're talking about a $6 XRP. $6 XRP with just $300 billion. Oh my God. That would... I don't know where we're going to get $300 billion. But the charts are telling me that the market cap is going to go up $300 billion for some reason. And I'm willing to bet that it's going to be XRP. I'm willing to bet it's going to be XRP. Now, obviously, this is not going to happen today or tomorrow or the next week. But it's going to fucking happen. It's going to fucking happen. And my bags are filled to the top. To the tippity top. I'm strapped in. Belt on. I'm ready. I'm fucking ready for that $6 XRP. Oh, man. Where'd my music go? What happened to my music? Don't you just hate YouTube ads? I fucking hate YouTube ads. I'm not getting the Prime service. You're not going to make it. You're not going to make me do it. Big shout out to Hazy14 over on the chat. Thank you for that follow, my man. Thank you. Yo, what's up with you? It's all good, You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy little by little, making these gains to the upside. You know what you got to do. Stacking up on some gains, stacking up on some XRP coins and some XLM coins. You know you got to do what you got to do. Hassy over on the Twitch saying, oh, good, bro. Enjoy my XLM gains. Abso-fucking-lutely. Are you taking profits on the way up, or are you going to be hodling your XLM for the future? Are you waiting for that dollar XLM, or are you taking some profits on the way up? You know what you got to do. You know what you got to do. Nah, bro, I'm holding for 2025. Abso-fucking-lutely. Bro, that's one of the smartest things I've ever heard anybody say. I'm going to tell you right now. That's the smartest thing I've ever heard. Do what you got to do. Do what you got to do. Put it on a cold storage wallet, my man. Put it on a cold storage wallet. You don't want to keep it on any exchanges. You know why. You know why. Big shout out to Hazy14 over on the Twitch. You're awesome, my man. Thank you for that follow, my man. Thank you for that follow. So, guys, that's the crypto markets, my man. Are you in it? Are you in it, guys? Are your bags full? You know what you got to do. XRP, look at that. Look. XRP. Number 3. Exclude stable coins that are not really stable. $4. Number 4. Number 3. Look at that. Number 3. We jumping up, guys. We're moving on up. It's going to happen. Oh, man, it's going to fucking happen. It feels good to be right, you know? It feels really good to be right. I am him over on the TikTok saying another coin that piqued my interest is Storage. Oh, we can look at Storage before I leave. Oh, we can look. STRRJ. I think this is a privacy coin, right? This is a privacy coin like Monero. Where can I trade Storage? Let's look at Coinbase. Ooh. Storage is another coin that had a little peeky peek to the upside. That's beautiful to see. Okay, so for Storage, let me zoom in. So for Storage, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci level. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. And there it is. Now, what is Storage doing right now? it is trading below the 618. Okay, a coin that trades below the 618, you know what that means. You do not go in on that trade until it closes above the 618. So if that coin closes above 35 cents, then I'm going to consider longing storage. Okay, but as of right now, it's a no-go, no-trade zone for me as of right now. We might start seeing some price action to the downside. Okay. Always use your RSI also. Look at the RSI. The yellow line is crossing the purple to the upside. That means that prices will probably tank from here. So there's more room. I'm just saying that there's more room to go in on storage. Okay. On storage. Just saying. We might start seeing some price action to the downside on storage. Don't shoot me. I'm just a messenger. Okay. Don't shoot me. But if it closes above 35 cents, I'm going to get in on some storage action. So I'm going to keep an eye out on that one. I'm going to put an alarm on my phone to see that, make sure that I follow it. If it closes above 35 cents, I'm getting in on some storage action. G Pepperdine over on the TikTok asking for some XDC action. Let's look at some XDC action. These X coins, my man. These X coins are absolutely bizarre. Oh. Yo, Pepper, come here. Get closer. Come here. You're gonna like this. Check this out. From previous live streams. Look, let me zoom in. Let me get back in there. Let me get in the zone. Let me get in the dojo. I'm in the dojo right now. Okay. From previous live streams, this setup right here. You gotta watch my videos. You gotta watch all my videos. All my videos are in my YouTube channel. Everything is recorded. Can't say I didn't tell you so. XCC. When did I tell you to get in? 3 cents and 41. 3 cents. I told you to get in at 3 cents. 30.41. That's where you're going to find your support line. That was your support line right there. Okay? Right there. Now, that's rule number 1. It found the support within the 618. Okay? That's where you're going to want to get in at the 618. Rule number 2. Did it break the 382? No. It hasn't broken the 382 as of yet. So, we still have a chance. You still have a chance to getting in on some XDC action because we might see some pullback action happening on XDC. If it pulls back down to 30.41, please do yourselves a favor and get in on some XDC action. Okay? If you would have gotten in at 30.41 when I told you to get in at 30.41, you would be in profits right now. Okay? So we just follow the rules. We follow the games. Everything is in the charts, guys. You just got to learn how to read the charts. Those people who tell you that TA doesn't work, they just don't understand that the math is right there. They don't understand how to identify the patterns. They don't know what to do with these patterns. You don't know when to get in on those patterns. Everything is baked into the charts, guys. Okay? So if you want consistency, in your trades, you have to follow the rules. Get in on the 618. Break above the 382, and if it breaks above the 382, that there is a huge probability that we're going to get a negative 382. So what I'm saying is that if it closes above 367, in other words, about 4 cents, that there is a huge probability that we're going to get a 5 cent XDC. And that would be your trading plan. That would be your trading plan. I really, 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 really hope that you took advantage of this trade days ago. I told you guys to get in on this trade days ago. Okay. If you haven't, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch all of my videos. All of my live streams are being recorded. Everything is in my live streams. Okay. And I'm here every day at 5 p.m. Okay. I'm here every day at 5 p.m. Digital Sunday over on the Twitch. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow, my man. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate you. Hassie14 over on the Twitch saying, ADA, QNT, XLM, Algo, DCA every month, bro. Dude, that's one of the smartest things I've ever heard anybody say, man. You're going to make me cry. You're going to make me cry, my man. Some people actually listen. Some people actually listen. All right, guys. That's all the time I got for you today. Thank you for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. Make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. Remember that all of my streams are being recorded. They're all in my YouTube channel. So head over to my YouTube channel. You can find the link in my bio or link in the description below this video from whatever it is that you're watching. Make sure that you do follow me on every single platform because I get flagged every goddamn day. One of these days, my TikTok is going to be taken down. Every day I get a flag. A community where people just don't want to hear me say the truth. They don't want to see me spit out the facts. They're butthurt and they want me to pay for it. It ain't going to happen. Make sure you follow me on every single platform out there, guys. I'm there every goddamn day at 5 p.m. Eastern. So I'll be back again tomorrow. What's today? Today is, well, yeah, Wednesday. I'll be back again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you stop by, you like, and you follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. And I will see you again on tomorrow's live stream, 5 p.m. Eastern. God bless. Take care and have a good one.